What are you doing up there?
Previously on 2 Up Travel Suzuki Adventures, we found a big thing, drove through Grafton, stopped to say a little prayer, we jumped the queue, took on the twisties and cooked our butts, and arrived at the town of Ebor. Awesome. Hello? Well, good morning everyone. Welcome back to 2 Up Travels. We are at Ebor. Stayed at the Ebor Hotel Motel last night. Really cool place to stay. Good food. Good bed. Lovely.
Okay, looks like we're up and running.
In action.
Huh?
Let's have a GoPro action 4.
Camera off. That looks like it's a bit wobbly. Yeah, poor thing.
Good.
Yep.
Oh, it's stiff this morning. Sorry all you caravainers, didn't mean to wake you up. Ebor Falls Hotel Motel. Not much to look at from the outside, but it's very nice and the people are amazing. Welcome to the Waterfall Way. Our first stop this morning will be Ebor Falls. And it's a nice crisp 14 degrees. Oh my god, compared to yesterday, 31. It is delightful.
Watch out for the skippies going home. I can see some up on the hill over there.
Yep.
It's a cemetery.
Oh, look at them all.
Yeah.
Hello, and they're going to jump across. You go straight ahead, baby, I think. Don't you?
Yeah.
Oh, you just have a look at them.
I'm just doing a bit for our Japanese watchers.
Good morning.
Morning, guys.
Well, you guys will stay here. Lots of grass.
Look at the big fella over the other side there, just going, oh, what's all the fuss?
It's always the big one that stays behind.
He's always last to move. He goes, what, is there a challenger? You wouldn't believe it, a bloody car snuck in just behind us then.
Really?
How rude.
Oh yeah, he's a big fella.
Yeah, oh, he's a monster.
He's a monster!
You feeling handicapped this morning, baby?
Yeah, I do. The 9 hours on the bike yesterday, definitely feel handicapped.
You do not.
Let's just say, I think before our big trip we need to do a bit more stretching. Pilates or yoga. Are you good? Sorry, I'm just getting off anyway.
I am. You look pretty funny walking around there with your little antenna sticking up. Bobbleheads. Oh, look at the view down there, baby. Oh yeah, because you got that. That looks like it's a big drop off there, doesn't it? Oh, that's pumping. Look at that. Suzie doing the magic.
Ready? Help me down, help me down. Well, what better way to start off our trip on the Waterfall Way with a gorgeous waterfall. Unfortunately, we won't see any more waterfalls today.
What'd you say? We won't see any more waterfalls? Alright, I saw a couple. Oh, the big fella's just crossed over here. Yep. $78. Here's the next town, Suzie. Unleash the opportunities.
Such a beautiful town. Look how many churches are in Armidale. I'll have to get that fun fact and put it up on the screen. God, there's a lot of them though.
Follow the signs to Tamworth. Still called the Waterfall Way so far. Okay, this is officially the end of the Waterfall Way and the start of the... well, it's not the start. We're hooking onto the New England Highway. This is a pretty part of the New England Highway. Let's get this highway scared, I guess. Here we are, Uralla. Susie's favourite towns. We love Uralla. Very pretty.
I love this town.
You just love this pub.
I love this pub.
The top pub. It is a top pub.
It is a top pub. That's a good coffee shop.
That's a good
This is
Thunderbolts Way to Bundara.
Motor Inn, Bushranger Motor Inn.
Bushranger. Yeah, that's cool. We love the Bushranger. Thunderbolts Way, here we come.
I think that I'm going to hiding somewhere by a gated star. Baby, they ain't never gonna find me. I'm a renegade. I could be the one who saved you from this hard place. We could be as one and we'll escape. We could run away, we don't gotta stay. I can feel it, it burns inside me. Take away the pain, we can go insane. I can feel it, it burns inside me. We could run away, we don't gotta stay. I can feel it, it burns inside me. Take away the pain, we can go insane. Trust me, I won't let you down. I won't let you down. Yeah, I won't let you down. I won't let you down. Oh, I won't let you down. We could have the world to ourselves, going to a place that's far, staring at the stars for hours, 'cause you're a renegade.
Oh well, we have plenty of time to say this is Walcha.
We could be as one and we'll escape. We could run away, we don't gotta stay. I can feel it, it burns inside me. Take away the pain, we can go insane. I can feel it, it burns inside me. We could run away, we don't gotta stay. I can feel it, it burns inside me. Take away the pain, we can go insane. Trust me, I won't let you down. I won't let you down. Yeah, I won't let you down. I won't let you down. Oh, I won't let you down. Some gates never get to open 'cause it's too late. I could be the one who saves you from this place. Baby, they ain't never gonna find me, find me, find me.
You reckon, mate?
I reckon it looks pretty good.
It burns inside me. We could run away, we don't gotta stay. I can feel it, it burns inside me. Take away the pain, we can go insane. Trust me, I won't let you down.